Hi all, Stephen here from littlerobot.ai. As I'm sure you are well aware, if you're watching this, it kind of means that you're into AI or you know about some form of AI technology that's being used. But hot off the press, not really. Yesterday, at the time of recording, ChatGPT have introduced their API. And now, what does this really mean? Because OpenAI has had APIs for a long time. Lots of companies are already utilizing the OpenAI API into their systems and training their own models and doing that kind of thing to integrate with their AI case studies. So when we talk about ChatGPT, obviously this is the biggest website growth in the last, ever, and has had a ton of news and traction in terms of bringing AI to effectively just the normal person. You know, if you're not interested in technology, if you're not interested in AI, you've probably heard someone talk about ChatGPT at some point in the last couple of months. So what this really means is that you can now utilize the technology that has been using on ChatGPT, which is incredible technology, really, and an incredible model to be able to API into. And a lot of use cases have already been tested. So if we scroll down on this page, I can show you, and they're showing you here, Snap has been using it for conversational testing. Quizlet, again, sort of this back and forth of conversation, which I feel like this is going to be a huge case study for this API model. If you really want to integrate customer support, even sales journeys, salespeople, if they're doing live chat to begin with, all of these is now very accessible. I don't know. Into pretty much everyone, and you can utilize this really easily. So you could be tapping into this through something like Zapier or Make, Airtable. It doesn't have to be full on coded from the bottom all the way up. There are so many no-code integrations that you can be utilizing today in your business that takes full advantage of using AI. Now, what I find that most people struggle with is getting to grasp the beginnings of what that can look like. What can we use it for? What can it be benefit the business for most? And honestly, start testing things. If you're a designer, create ideas for you. If you have a customer support channel, utilize this in your customer chat. No longer do you have to wait for, human hours to come online or this, pre-written bot that they have to be triggered by certain words to go down a path. You can now start utilizing this to have a much more human conversation with customers through customer support. We live in a time now which is incredible and is only ever going to get better from here. So as you can see, that a lot of these case studies that they tested this on were on that customer support journey. But fully utilizing this in your own business is not difficult. We will be putting up more videos on how to make this happen, and just the next couple of months really is going to be crazy for this. But I just wanted to put this little video up to effectively just say, listen, it's here, start using it, and if you need help and prompts and all this kind of stuff, make sure you sign up to our newsletter at littlerobot.ai, and we will try and give you all the information that you need to make things happen in your business using AI. And if you want us to do something specific, just let us know and we can create a video, create a little walkthrough, and hopefully help you out on your journey to optimizing and using AI within your business. Thanks for watching this pretty random video, but hey, it's a video, and I'll see you next time.